That's right, you have the hiccups. You ate too fast. Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're looking right at the camera. He's such a smart boy. Smart boy with the hiccups because he ate too fast. Yeah. I told you. Yeah. 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 Yeah.